is EARNIN. So EARNIN is another cash advance app that can actually help you on a payday because this app actually give access to more money than some other cash advance app, because you can actually get up to $750 per day period on EARNIN instant cash advance app. So you can see the app have generated over 5 million downloads, and the overall rating is 4.6, and the review on this particular app is 236,000 so far, which is quite amazing. And if you check on the snapshot right here, you can see you can get up to $750 uh, uh, cash advance. You can also get instant access to your payday uh, too, and then you can also track your credit score for free. It's very simple with the EARNIN app. The app is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So just the step one to go about it is just to go to work as usual. Then the step two, transfer up to $100 per day of your earnings. You can see you're sending you $100, so no interest, no hidden fees, no credit check. Very simple and just like that. You can also get this step three, which is tip what you think is fair enough, even if it's $0, you can also do that. So that one is actually left to you. And if you don't want to tip, you can just go ahead and do whatever you want to do. So you can see pay earning back when you get paid. That's quite amazing. So they also provide their disclaimer, so you might wanna go through that. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see the about app right there. So if I click on the about app, they're gonna provide every details about the app and how any app also work. So like I said earlier, the app is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Let's say you wanna go ahead and use the app. You can also use the link in the description to download any from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So you can see how cash out on earnings works. Download the earnings app and add your information. You can access up to $100 per day of your payday and up to $750 per day, per period. You can also tip whatever you think is okay, and if you don't want to tip, that is also cool. So your money at your stage, so they provide everything that they believe you're gonna need in order to get a quick cash. So you can also see the app was updated last month, April 29, 2024. And if you also scroll down, you're gonna see what people are actually saying about this app from Sarah. So 5-star rating so far on the April 25th, 2024. So you can see it's reliable app and service. Then I've tried several apps for pay, advance, and earning is by far the most consistent. The only negative I wish they do let me know what step to take in to increase my max amount per day period. For month, my amount was the same, then dropped. It's gone up a little since, but would be a huge if I couldn't if I could go back up to that original amount. We recommend to anyone that goes to the same location every time for work, so our app can track correctly. So this review I've heard for about 34 people, which is quite amazing. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see another review from Amanda, which is 1 star rating. And if you also scroll down, you're gonna see another review from Robert, which is 5-star rating. So like I said earlier on, so we all have different experience when you're trying to find out or see how things actually work. But then I believe you'll be able to find one or two in this video that will definitely help you in getting a quick cash advance till your payday. And if you have any question, you can literally let me know in the description below, and I'm gonna provide an help to your question. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.